Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Lenovo Tab P11 Plus, and in today's video we would like to demonstrate that you can set up and use the nEarby share feature on this device. So first of all, swipe downwards from the top right part of your display, open up the control center over here, expand the available shortcuts, try to look for the nEarby share among them. If it is not present, just tap on this pencil and add the nEarby share from the list of unused icons over here. Just drag it to the tiles that are in use currently. After that, you want to make sure that the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on your device. Then, touch and hold at the nEarby share shortcut. At the following page, turn this switch on. Rename the device if needed. Switch the device visibility modes between hidden contacts and everyone. I'll set it to be visible for anybody that is in range currently. Then you can manage the data mode that is currently used, and that means that you are all set pretty much. After that, not after that, but now I will try to use this function real quick and see how well it works, how well my Lenovo tablet will be able to receive the files or photos through the nEarby share. So I happen to have this little Xiaomi tablet in front of me, so let me use it to test out the... Oh god, where is the gallery app on this little device? So let's say I'll try to send this little screenshot, whatever, really. So where is the share button? Here it is. Nope, it is not. I guess this one. Okay, share. We will share it through the nEarby share. Turn it on the sender send. As you can see, our Lenovo tablet gets discovered right away. So choose it from this little list at the bottom, except on the receiver send. And as you can see, the image has been successfully received, and now we can open it on our, Lenovo tablet. Alrighty, so that will be it. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.